and ongoing interactions with member states, the private media, and online companies and stakeholders. Finally, the United Nations, perhaps through its Committee on Information, should open a comprehensive dialogue led by member states and with the participation of the private sector, business enterprise, media and social media platforms, and civil society stakeholders to develop a coherent consensus on international cooperation to combat disinformation. I wish the group every success in its endeavors. I thank you.
Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, you just heard the statement by the Foreign Minister of Pakistan, in which he has outlined a number of specific suggestions for action by our group. We have, dear Excellencies, we have a distinguished panel of speakers who have joined us today for an interactive discussion. And I would thus first give the floor to our panelists, which will be followed by interventions and interaction responses from member states. I will first of all give the floor to Ms. Melissa Fleming. Ms. Fleming is the Undersecretary General for Global Communications at the United Nations. And she has previously served 10 years at the UNHCR as the head of global communications, and worked in senior communication roles in the IAEA and the Organization for Security and Cooperation in Europe,